it's time for science, and today we're going to make a Play-Doh volcano. First, let's start with what materials we'll need to do so. We need Play-Doh, baking soda, dish soap, vinegar, and an empty water bottle. Let's get all of our materials together first. Okay, so let's get started. First, we're going to take the empty water bottle and place it in the middle of a tray. Then, we're going to take the dish soap and pump 3 pumps of dish soap into the water bottle. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Next, we're going to take 1 cup of baking soda. That's a lot of baking soda. Place the funnel inside the water bottle. You might need some help for this one. We're going to hold the funnel into the water bottle and pour in the baking soda. Ready, set, go. Ooh. Keep pouring. Pour, 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 pour. Almost all done. Wow, great job. Next, we're going to make this water bottle turn into a volcano. How? We're going to take our Play-Doh and build around it. I hope that you love the way that my Play-Doh volcano came out, but now let's get ready for the real explosion. First, I'm going to take my vinegar and put it in 1 cup into our measuring cup. Then I'm going to use that same funnel, place it inside, get my vinegar, and prepare. Ready, set, go! That's even cooler than I thought. Hope you had as much fun as I did.